How to cancel Robinhood Deposit. Begin by downloading the Robinhood application from the Play Store for Android users or the App Store for iOS users. If you already have the app installed, proceed to the next step. If it's your first time using the app, sign up and create your account. For existing users, log into your account using your credentials. Upon logging in, you may be prompted to set up a PIN code for added security. Follow the instructions to create your PIN code. Once logged in, navigate to the main screen of the Robinhood app. Tap on your account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen, then select the Settings option at the top right corner. In the Settings menu, locate and tap on the History option. Here, you'll find a list of your transaction history. Scroll through your transaction history to find the deposit you wish to cancel. Tap on the deposit to select it. After selecting the deposit, you'll see an option labeled Cancel Transfer. Tap on this option to initiate the cancellation process. Follow any additional prompts or confirmations to complete the cancellation of the deposit. Once the cancellation is successful, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the deposit has been cancelled. That's how you can cancel Robinhood Deposit.